Hey there, I am Purvi. Welcome to this practice class. We have already discussed how to use though, although, in spite of, and despite, because and because of in a situation in the last video. I hope you have watched that video and you understood it well. If not, here is the link. I want you to go through that video first and then join me to practice the same. So let us practice when to use though, although, in spite of, because and because of. See, now though and although is same. You can replace in spite of with despite. And yes, because and because of is different. Now, before we begin, yes, I have more examples and you need to find out which is the right suitable option. So get ready. Let me give you one example before we begin this lesson. Yes, so the example is my friend or he did not get visa. My friend did not get visa although he had all the required documents. My friend did not get visa although he had all the required documents. मतलब हालांकि उसके पास सारे required documents थे, उसे visa नहीं मिला. Now same statement, now I am using in spite of. So I would say in spite of having all the required documents, he did not get visa. मतलब सारे required documents होने के बावजूद उसे visa नहीं मिला. Now the same sentence, if it is negative, I will use because and because of. See, he did not get visa. He didn't get visa because he didn't have required documents. उसको वीजा नहीं मिला क्योंकि उसके पास required documents नहीं थे. Or you can say because of not having required documents. Because of not having the required documents, he did not get visa. So required documents ना होने की वजह से उसे वीजा नहीं मिला. Interesting? Now it's your time to think. Let's start with first example. There was a lot of noise. There was a lot of noise. Hope it is readable now. बहुत सारा आवाज था, right? She managed to study. फिर भी वो पढ़ाई manage किया उसने. Now what will you use here? Though, in spite of, because or because of. There was a lot of noise because she managed to study. No, that is not appropriate. What is right option? Yes, if you think of though, it is correct. So there was a lot of noise though she managed to study. So हालांकि बहुत सारा आवाज था लेकिन उसने पढ़ाई मैनेज किया. Next, dash the busy schedule, right? Dash the busy schedule. She attended my wedding. Yes, busy schedule था लेकिन उसने मेरा wedding attend किया. Now how you can tell this in English? Now here what is the right option? I should give you a second, right, to think. Yes, in spite of the busy schedule, right? In spite of the busy schedule, she attended my wedding. So बहुत busy schedule के बावजूद उसने मेरा मीटिंग या मेरी वेडिंग अटेंड करी. थर्ड, they won the match. वो मैच जीत गए. Dash the players were new. Players तो नए थे. Now which is the right option? Yes, because the players were new. No, that is not possible. In spite of the players were new के बावजूद. No, not the right sentence. So here option is they won the match although the players were new. हालांकि प्लेयर्स नए थे, उन्होंने मैच जीता. नाउ ही कंटिन्यूड टू प्ले. वो लगातार खेला. डैश हिज फुट वॉज इंजर्ड. तो इंजरी थी लेकिन खेला. अगेन यहाँ पर यू वुड से ही कंटिन्यूड टू प्ले ऑल्दो और दो हिज फुट वॉज इंजर्ड. हालांकि वो इंजर्ड था लेकिन उसने गेम कंटिन्यू खेला. Now dash the repeated warnings, right? Warnings दिया. He randomly invested in stocks. So बताया लेकिन उसने randomly invest किया stock में. Yes, the option is in spite of the repeated warnings देने के बावजूद, right? He randomly invested in stocks. उसने तो randomly stock में invest कर दिया. Now dash some financial issues. He didn't lend her money. So financial issues की बात हो रही है. He didn't lend her money. To lend money is to उधार देना. When you किसी से लेते हैं तो we say borrow money. Opposite is to lend money. So he didn't lend her money. उसने उसे उधार नहीं दिया. Financial issues. Now there is a reason. समझ में आ रहा है? हम reason की बात कर रहे हैं तो I think right option क्या होना चाहिए? Yes? Because या because of. So here what is suitable now? Because of some financial issues. Because of some financial issues, he didn't lend her money. उसको पैसा नहीं दिया. Let's get back to next. Dash, I had never seen her before. I had never seen her before. पहले कभी उसको नहीं देखा था. I recognized from her photograph. फोटोग्राफ से पहचान लिया, पहले कभी नहीं देखा था. Now in this situation what is right? के बावजूद नहीं. Because not possible. Only possible option is although. So although I had never seen her before, हालांकि मैंने पहले कभी उसको नहीं मिली थी. I had never seen her देखा था. I recognized her photograph. मैंने उसको फोटोग्राफ से पहचान लिया. Now he couldn't play. वो नहीं खेल सका. Dash, he was injured. Injured था. Of course यहाँ पर reason दिखाई दे रहा है. He couldn't play because he was injured. He couldn't play because he was injured. Now we are not very good friends. हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं. Dash, we have known each other for a long time. We have known each other for a long time. हम बहुत टाइम से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं. Yes, again here you would say though. So we are not very good friends although we have known each other for a long time. हालांकि हम एक दूसरे को बहुत अरसे से जानते हैं लेकिन हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं. Now they didn't hire new candidates. I'm talking about a company. नए लोगों को hire नहीं किया. They didn't hire new candidates. Dash, the company was facing some crisis. Again reason दिया है, right? The company was facing some crisis. company में crisis चल रहे थे. They did not hire new candidates. Reason है तो you would say because the company was facing some crisis. They did not hire. Correct? Now Dash, having very little money. बहुत कम पैसा है. They are happy. खुश है, right? Having very little money. So you can say in spite of having very little money, in spite of having very little money, they are happy. वो लोग खुश है. In spite of having a little money, they are खुश है. कम पैसे होने के बावजूद वो खुश है. Dash, it rained a lot. बहुत बारिश हुई. We enjoyed our holiday. So you went out for a picnic. बहुत मजा किया. हालांकि बारिश थी. So you can say although it rained a lot, we enjoyed our holiday. बहुत बारिश थी हालांकि लेकिन हमने तो मजा किया. Now she couldn't join. She couldn't join मतलब वो join नहीं कर सकी. Again मुझे लग रहा है reason है. She had already signed the contract with other company. She had already signed the contract with other company. She couldn't join because she had already signed the contract with other company. Now I would say Dash, he is poor, he is smart. Poor है लेकिन smart है. Now see both the statement. So you would say although he is poor, हालांकि poor है, he is smart. Smart भी है. Last, Dash, having enough experience in the same field. Having enough experience in the same field, he didn't find a job in UK. Same field में experience है लेकिन UK में job नहीं मिला. So क्या बोलोगे? Now, although having lot of experience, no. Because having, no. In spite of having enough experience in the same field, in spite of having enough experience in the same field, he did not get job in UK. He didn't get job in UK. Yes, अगर यहाँ पर मुझे दो ऐड करना है तो I would say he didn't find a job in UK although he had enough experience in the same field, हालांकि सेम फील्ड में इनफ एक्सपीरियंस था, उसे जॉब नहीं मिला. Now in negatives I would say he didn't find a job because he was not having enough experience in the same field. Hope you understood. Watch it again, practice more. See, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.